Hey YouTube, what's going on? It's Chris here. I just wanted to give you an update on Litecoin since I've been talking to you guys and telling you that we're at a very important time in Litecoin, not only in that symmetrical triangle, but what I'm going to show you guys here are the moving averages that I've been looking at. So we have our 20-day moving average here in red, and I like to make these thick for you guys so you can actually see them. I've always had trouble looking at other people when I'm looking at their charts and things, and it's kind of hard to see sometimes. So I put them a little bit thicker for you guys, and so this is our 20. As you can see right here, guys, it is acting as a resistance for us right now. We tried right here, we came back down. Right here, we came up a little bit more, we came back down. So we've been watching this, and this is on the 4-hour chart, as you guys can see right here. So our 20 is acting as a resistance, and we want to be able to break through that, because if we were able to break through that, we most likely would come to the top of this triangle, and we would test that out. Okay, so that's very important for us. But what you're seeing right here, at least, this is the 50-day moving average, and this is acting as support right here. All right, guys, so if you see this next candle come here and we bust down through here, that's going to be a bad sign, guys. All right, so that would mean we could come anywhere. You know, we could be at 150, we could test that, or we could come all the way down here to the lows of 136 and test that. So it's very important that we hold this moving average right here, and that we're also able to break through this moving average right here. Those are crucial for us right now, guys. So I wanted to bring that to you, and I'm also going to go to our daily chart, if I can. Okay, the 1 day, and kind of show you what else we're looking at. Okay, guys, and you can see on the daily here how much resistance we have overhead. Remember, moving averages act as support, and they also act as resistance. So we need to be able to break through these on the daily to be able to get up and out of this triangle. So that's a really big deal right there, guys. And let's check the 200 if we can. So let's put that one at 200, 200-day moving average. All right, guys, and as you can see, like we talked about, what I was really hoping for is that this, like we've been talking about candles, that this, when we came down here fishing, we had this long wick here, which is more than twice the size of this body right here. So that's how you know this is a hammer. Most hammers, they can have a little bit of a wick on the top. You really don't want much of a wick, so kind of looking at this one, I would still classify this as a hammer right here. We came down, we touched the 200-day, and then from there, as you can see from this hammer, we moved up. And then, guys, we had a doji up here, which was kind of a fight in between back and forth, the bulls and the bears, and then that followed up by a bearish candle right here. So that's where we could be going back down, guys, to be able to test this right here, to test this bottom part of the triangle. So I want you guys to be aware of both scenarios that we're looking at right now. So as of right now, the 200 is our support, right? So also this line here, the bottom part of the triangle, those are our two supports, and our resistance right now, this 20-day moving average is hanging over the top, and this is on the daily chart. So I wanted to bring this to you guys. We could go up or we could go down. That's the beauty of the symmetrical triangle, guys. So I wanted you to be aware on both factors, because I think it's really important to be able to see the upside and the downside, guys. And if I have enough time here, let me check the MACD and see what that's looking like. Okay. So guys, look how close we are here. We're kissing here on the daily. It could go either way. I mean, we're really at that point. Are we going to go up or are we going to go down? We're really tight. Let's check the 4-hour quick. And as you guys can see, on the 4-hour there, when we had this cross going up, that sent the histogram into the positive, and we were also above. But guys, we had that breakdown through, and then we're kind of curling here now. So it's going to be tight, guys. It's going to be really close here. So I just wanted to inform you guys of that. You can see right here how we're coming back. We may touch right there. The 2-hour coming close, guys. You can see that on the histogram lessening. So guys, it's going to be tight. We're going to see what has to happen, and right there on the 1-hour we popped through. So hopefully that's a good sign. But I wanted to bring this to you guys and just tell you, God bless you. I hope you're having a wonderful Friday. Don't invest more than you can afford to lose, and you know, just pay attention to these charts, guys, and study. God bless you all.